distinguished delegates, invited guests. My name is Fatou Jeng from the Gambia, and I'm joined by my colleague here, Mr. Yarid Abela from Ethiopia. We are here speaking on behalf of African youth to not only share the urgency for climate action, but to share some of our key demands embedded in our declaration, which reflects our commitment as youth to be a part of the solution in shaping Africa's green growth agenda. Thank you so much, Mr. President, for recognizing the crucial role young people play in climate action. I think this is what we need from our leadership. However, as youth, we call upon the key stakeholders to recognize, promote, and invest in the decision of the Africa Youth Climate Assembly by establishing the Assembly as the principal forum for consolidating and meaningfully enhancing the coordination of youth engagement in climate governance across member states beyond the Africa Climate Summit. And we also urge the key stakeholders to support youth inclusion in advancing Africa's sustainable development goals and the Green Growth Agenda in official continental forums. We also would love to engage the African Union Commission's Youth Division and Department of Sustainable Environment and Blue Economy to integrate the Africa Youth Climate Assembly into their structures, and also aligning with Article 19 of the Africa Youth Charter on Sustainable Development and the protection of our environment.
We also urge the creation of an intergenerational green investment fund to support young-led innovations, actions, and green jobs for African youth. We also request for the lobby of the established United Nations Youth Office to domicile in Africa in line with the structure of global climate institutions. We call for engagement and investment in young people in exploring agricultural potential of Africa. In conclusion, we would like to also seek from key stakeholders to invest in youth-led research, innovations for identifying local climate solutions.
In conclusion, we believe that African youth have showcased their African-led solutions to the global challenge. Invest in us. Thank you so much. And before we just go, Your Excellency, with your permission, we would love to join our colleagues, the children as well, to call you on stage as well, and the AU chairperson, to also have our colleagues from the Africa Youth Climate Assembly team, Ms. Watuti, Mr. Brian Miner, and Alfonso, to join us in sharing the Africa Youth Climate Assembly Declaration. And I saw that my citizenship has been changed to Nigeria, so I am a dual citizen now, a Gambian and a Nigerian.
Yeah.